Hey health enthusiasts! Ever looked at ginger and thought, is this just for my sushi? Think again. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of ginger. Get ready to be amazed by its potential health benefits. Did you know? Ancient civilizations used ginger as a medicine long before it spiced up our favorite dishes. Let's break it down. First, what is ginger, and then, its top health benefits. Ginger, a tropical flowering plant whose fragrant underground stem is a favorite in many cuisines. And now, the juicy part. Digestive aid. Ever had nausea or an upset stomach? Ginger can come to your rescue. It's known to soothe digestive troubles and even motion sickness. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Chronic inflammation? Ginger contains gingerol, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Pain reduction. Studies suggest ginger may reduce muscle pain and soreness. Add it to your post-workout drink. Fighting colds and flu. Feeling under the weather? Ginger's got you. It can boost your immune system and warm you right up. Lowers blood sugars. Some research even hints at ginger's potential to help regulate blood sugar. A treat for diabetics, perhaps. I remember, once during a family trip, I got super car sick. Guess what my grandma handed me? Yep, a piece of ginger candy. Trust me, it works wonders. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. How do you like using ginger? In your tea? Soup? Or maybe even skincare? And before you go, if you loved learning about ginger, you have to check out my video on the garlic, why you should sleep with it under your pillow. Seriously, you'll be blown away by what some of these natural remedies can do. Oh, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on more amazing health secrets. Here's to a healthier you. Until next time.